Hi, and thank you for allowing us to send you this video. My name is Alex, and I'm going to be showing you a few tips on how by improving your website, you can get more exposure on Google. You can actually outrank your competition, and of course, you can get more clients. So let's start here with your website. I have it on the screen. And the first thing that I have to recommend is to add more relevant content, especially text. Everything that you see here, everything that is readable, and you may ask yourself, why is this so important? Because when you add content in the text form, you gotta make sure that you add keywords that you're gonna be found for. For example, if I can see here practice areas, for example, you are a corporate lawyer. One of it will be corporate lawyer Connecticut or personal injury lawyer Connecticut, things like that. This is essential because once Google starts analyzing your website, or when they analyze your website, they read through all of this, all of the text here, and the only way to show them that you are, for example, an injury lawyer in Connecticut is to add that keyword and surround it by relevant content. So when they read it, they understand. They love to see a lot of information, a lot of relevant information. It has to be original because if it's copy and paste, it's not going to do any good for you. Same principle applies for the other sub pages. For example, you have a attorney section here, so add more relevant content to each one of those pages. Same here to the practice area. Let's see, personal injury. Let's take a look on that one. You can see that you don't have that much information here, and I don't see any relevant keywords that can actually help you to make Google understand that you are a personal one. One of your areas is being a personal injury lawyer. So I want to show you some numbers because I use this tool called Ahrefs, and what this does, it picks data from your website based on Google criteria. So you're being found for 304 keywords, and this is based on the content that you have. And you also have 388 backlinks. Now, what are backlinks? Backlinks are other sites that are mentioned in your website, and this will give you power so you can be found on Google. Think about like a popularity contest. The more people you get to talk about you in a positive way, the more relevant you're going to become, the more relevant you are going to stay. Same principle applies here with the difference that not all links are created equal. So you can have hundreds and thousands of links, but if they're not powerful, if they're not relevant, and most important, if they're not targeting the keywords that you should have on your content, based on your content here on your website, you're not going to see the results that you want, and your rating here is not going to increase. So that being said, let's take a look and see what kind of keywords are you being found for based on your content and how the links are powering them up. So you can see that you have 321 keywords for the United States, but for some reason, and this is because of the backlinks that you have five keywords pointing to Italy, another two to Philippines, two to Japan, which is kind of weird. And that is not doing any good for you because you want to point everything at least to the United States, especially the Connecticut area. So if I keep scrolling down, there's nothing really relevant here that can bring some customers, new clients to your website. For example, I don't see anything here. That means that you're not adding those keywords to your content, and the backlinks that you're using are not even pointing to those kind of keywords. So that's one of the things, because if I go to Google and type personal injury lawyer Hartford, Connecticut, and this is very close to your location, to the Vernon address. So Hartford, Connecticut will be one example. The first thing you're going to see here, this is sponsored by Google. You pay to be there. Then you have your map section, and it would be if it would be in Vernon, you should be in these top three, appearing in these top three because your profile should be optimized. And when I say optimized, it needs to have relevant content. The images they need to be optimized in a certain way, and reviews. Reviews are very, very important, especially if you reply to those reviews. Even if there are 5 stars, 4 stars, even one review, you need to respond to those reviews because that's what Google is looking for. Then We have the organic results. Number one, we got this directory, attorneys.superlawyers.com. Then we have this lawyers.findlaw.com. And then we have this firm. I don't want to mispronounce their name, but Riscassi Davis, I think it's pronounced. And we're going to see why they're ranking number three for this specific keyword and what are the benefits of being in this top three at least. So if we open their website, you can see that they have content here. Connecticut personal. This is one of keywords that probably is helping them. This is how it should be laid out pretty much. They have content here, have more content here. You can see that they understand how content brings value to their website. More content here, and keep going and keeps going. See, more content here. So they have a lot of information. They're probably targeting those keywords in the right way. If we look on the numbers, they're being found for around 1,700 keywords, and they have over 11,000 backlinks. That's quite a lot. So we're gonna see what kind of keywords are they being found for, and see what is the difference of being on the top three for a specific, in the specific case, personal injury lawyer, Hartford, Connecticut. So this is the one that we were looking for. There's 150 searches a month. Because they're ranking number three, they're getting 14 visits straight to their website each month. That means that they're getting 14 chances of getting new clients every month. Injury lawyer Connecticut, there's 100 searches a month. Because they're ranking number four, they're not even in the top three, but still, you can see number four, and they keep climbing. They have another 11. So that's only in those two keywords. There's 25 chances, 25 visits a month that they get to get new clients. And we can keep seeing another keyword that they're targeting. For example, let's see, CT auto accident attorney. They're 90 searches a month, and because ranking number four, they get another 8, and they keep climbing. So they know how this works. They actually understand how content is so powerful for a website, especially if they're backing them up with decent quality links. I don't want to take too much of your time, so very, very simple. You need to improve content, you need to add those keywords, and you definitely need to have relevant backlinks to support them so you can start seeing results in a short period of time. Again, it's not about how many backlinks you have, it's about the quality. But you can see that these guys, they really understand the importance of content, and that's why they're ranking in those top positions of on the keyword that we just saw. Um, Once again, my name is Alex. I hope you find this information useful, and if you have any questions, please let us know. Other than that, thank you for your time.